I'm going to show you how you can do a free Jeep mod. Who doesn't want a free Jeep mod? I don't know, nobody. Anyway, so this is going to be a modification to the front bumper that's going to look good. It's going to cost you nothing as long as you do it right. So, first thing is what I'm going to do. I'm going to remove about 7 inches, 6 inches of material right here, and then I'm going to reattach this to this. Now I know they make kits, and you can buy little end caps for like $70 or I don't know, too much. Anyways, I'm going to show you how to do it for free. So start off by right where this comes together, I'm going to tape it off. And I'm going to leave about, 2 inches of material on. Good guess, 2-inch tape. Anyway, so start. Now that I have a nice line established, I mean you could use a marker too, but it's easier just to tape it off. So now I'm going to measure. I want this piece of tape to be parallel, right? So I'm going to measure 6 inches. You know what? So I got 6 inches there. 6 inches. And then right at this point, I go straight down. So now, I'm going to cut this part off first because it's going to be supported. And then after I cut this off, I'll then cut this off. Then I will clearance the back and then I'll slide it on top. Now, and then I'll blend in this joint here in the back. Let's start cutting. Basically, I don't really care if I screw this up, because I'm really sick of this front bumper, so I'm just doing it. So. So, we got the cover off. We're going to have to clean this up a bit. A little sandpaper. Flatten it out a bit. So that is going to go back on after we cut this off. Now, there is metal in here you'll have to cut through in this portion, but that's okay. Okay, now I'm going to straighten up that because it's very, very, very not straight. So, to do that, I'm going to use the belt sander, or you can use an angle grinder, or a Dremel tool, or a cutoff wheel. You can use whatever tool you like. I'm going to use this one because it's already set up, ready to go. Alright, so this is going to take a super long time. I'm going to cut this video and explain it when I'm done. Okay, so that's what it looks like before and after. Free modification you can do by yourself. I haven't screwed it on yet, but you can see it's a little bit, once I push it tight, I'll screw it on and it'll all be nice and flush. Just sitting on there, it's kind of held away a little bit. But something you could do if you're good with your hands. You can see I cut that off. This is all the stuff I removed. I'll give you a little idea of what it looks like. So that's what you leave behind. You need something to screw onto. And this is what you cut away. You make a little notch in the back. Clearance the bottom. You can clean that up if you want. It's in the back. Nobody's going to see it. And then, of course, it goes on there. I can't put it on with one hand while I'm filming. But anyways, that's how you do it. Just cut the cap off, clearance the back, and stick it back on. Okay, so it's been about 3 months. It took me a long time to actually come out here and get this footage. I wasn't sure if I was going to make the video, post the video, and decided, hey, you know what, let's put the video up. So this is the finished product. I use some self-tapping screws, and I just pop those puppies in right there. Overall, I like it. I feel like it turned out pretty well, considering it was free. Kind of get the overall look of what it looks like. It's basically like having a little stubby bumper. I love these tires, by the way. These are the Milestar Patagonia MTs. They are completely silent. When I drive down the road, I can't even hear the tires. And those are some really aggressive lugs. And the fact that they make no road noise is mind-blowing. Nobody ever believes it. They're like, yeah, right. But trust me, they are worth every penny. These are half the price of about all the other tire options. I've been running these for about 4 months now. Haven't even noticed the slightest bit of wear. I love them. So check those out as well if you're looking for a new set of tires. This is all I got this time. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section below. And as always, like and thumbs up if you can. That helps out greatly. We'll see you next time.